Hi, we are the Serbian national golf team and we just did the 60-second challenge.
So we nominate all the national teams to do the hold-in challenge, so enjoy and have fun.
Hi, my name is TaylorMade-Adidas and my fantastic result was 18. Good luck!
Hi, my name is Branimir Gudelj. My result is 19.
Ranko Health, 17.
Hi folks, I'm Ilija Đurčević. I just did the hold-in 60-second putt challenge from TaylorMade and I did 15, so quantity is not always better than quality, so I prefer quality.
My name is Mihailo Dimitrijević. My score was 21. Molinari, next time I'm gonna beat you.